Double check. Triple check. And you absolutely do not quadruple check.
Brock, stop it.
Oh, keep doing it. Oh, you're dead.
Next thing you know, BOW! That's like the most powerful one. Hey, can I have one of these now?
No!
Can I have one of these now? Can I have one of these now?
Please be careful, Kiefer.
There's only one.
I mean,
Brock, please
yeah,
watch your son. Make sure he's not... More supervision for the 8-year-old.
Were you lighting a firework that had color?
Are you holding it?
Yeah,
Yes,
one of those.
the fountain.
Away from the fireworks.
I should have done that. I should have done that when I was...
Hold it up high. Firework, a firework, firework. Okay, drop it.
Please tell me this.
Oh, wow, that was
Very
like
nice.
really
Nice
straight.
and straight.
Hey, Dad. Can I get this in there?
Oh, shoot.
Was it high?
Oh, Dad!
Tabloid. Hey, keeper. Wherever you are.
Cannon, feel this.
Okay, well, no. Well, we already have... Stop it! Before we let my shirt on fire. Dad, can I do this one?
No.
Man, why do you want to do all of them?
Well, because these things are awesome. I love it when this happens.
Such a waste.
No, it's not. Can I do it?
Cannon, stand back.
Kiefer, you get away. Do not light that and throw that at Caden.
Dad.
I'm not throwing it at Cannon.
Dad.
Yeah, but you
Can I
gotta...
do this?
Oh. You got bad aim, dude.
Hey, if you crash, put it out.
Planted a landmine in my yard.
Well,
You
thanks.
get me when I'm mowing.
Dad. Dad, can I have one of these?
All right, that's fine. We got enough of these other big ones. Hey, no. It's smoking. Put it down.
What?
Wait, you said it, yeah.
Why are you right here with all those? Okay, get them away from us.
Okay.
Now do it quickly. Get that watch the fuse as you go. Go.
Go to the end of the driveway and light it.
Okay, that's
Put it
fine.
on a tree.
No, Caden, on the ground.
Sorry.
It's a ton of fireworks. Don't. Dangerous. Kiefer, stay out of the way.
Way back. Please, way back,
Here,
guys.
back here, Kiefer, back here.
Inspired by it.
Back here. Look out, Kiefer, you're in Mom's camera.
He's okay.
But then there's so much smoke that it's hard to see it.
Woo!
That's what I was afraid of.
It like came at me.
I have mastered fire!
Or how do
The master being dangerously stupid.
Yeah, no, wait.
Cam?
Brock, don't do that.
Yeah,
Kiefer's
throw it
like,
that way. Or towards Keith.
It wasn't towards Kiefer.
okay, don't do that anymore. I want Brock, get up there with him.
Kiefer, turn around so we can see what you're doing. Okay, that's better. He's fine.
I need one of those.
Go, careful.
Oh, that one behind us.
Come down
Okay,
like a
crazy
bird.
kids, crazy husband.
Helicopter lands in the tree. We didn't have a first.
Hey, Dad, can I light two of
Yeah.
these? Dad, can I light two of these and throw them?
No, you're being a twerp.
Thank you. Did you see that fire like behind it? Can I light two of these at once? And throw them?
Are you okay,
No,
Kiefer?
on the ground.
No,
What's the
Something in your
matter?
eyes? When?
just now.
Okay, go to the bathroom. Come on.
Why?
I don't know, just to make sure it's rinsed
Make
out.
sure you wash it out with water.
What hit you?
Caden, give away. Those are like on fire.
Ah, my ears.
Yeah.
Did you hear the lamp?
Huh?
Did you hear this thing?
Yes.
It was echoing like, ooh, as if something just...
Yes. Yes.